Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the UT345A Ultrasonic Thickness Gauge, a powerful tool for non-destructive thickness measurement. It's widely used in industries like oil and gas, shipbuilding, and aerospace. Let's dive right in. Unboxing. Inside the box, you get the UT345A gauge, a 5 MHz probe, 10 mm in size, a standard calibration block, a data cable, a carrying bag, and of course, the user manual. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for easy portability during field inspections. Key features. Here are the highlights. Measurement range, 1 to 300 mm. Accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 mm for thin materials, and plus or minus 1% H plus 0.1 mm for thicker ones. Sound velocity range, 1000 to 9999 meters per second, with presets for steel, aluminum, copper, and brass. A bright 2.4-inch display showing max, min, and average in real time. Storage for 300 groups of readings. Modes: single measurement, continuous scanning, velocity measurement, and alarm mode. Powered by a built-in lithium battery, up to 16 hours runtime, rechargeable with Type-C USB. Demo: how to use. Using it is simple. Step 1. Prepare the surface, clean off rust, dirt, or paint. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of coupling agent. Step 3. Press the probe firmly. When coupling is good, a symbol appears on screen, and instantly, you'll see the thickness value. In continuous mode, you can slide the probe and watch real-time thickness variations. The alarm function is especially useful. It alerts you if thickness falls below your set safety limit, making it perfect for corrosion monitoring. Calibration. Before using, always calibrate. Just place the probe on the included 4 mm standard block. The device auto-adjusts to 5920 meters per second, the velocity of steel. You can also set custom velocities for other materials. This ensures accurate, reliable readings in the field. Applications. The UT345A is widely used in oil and gas pipelines for corrosion thinning, pressure vessels and boilers for safety inspections, shipbuilding and aerospace for structural checks, metallurgy and fabrication for plate thickness verification, and chemical plants to monitor tanks and reactors. Basically, anywhere you need non-destructive thickness measurement, this is the right tool. So that was the unboxing, features, demo, and applications of the UT345A Ultrasonic Thickness Gauge. Where would you use this instrument? Pipelines, shipbuilding, or lab testing? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more industrial insights, and check the description if you'd like to know more about this product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.